As you've come to know, with all Handy products, the teardown table is made only in America. The heavy-duty 14-gauge domestic steel top is built tough, and a 3/4-inch rim all the way around contains liquids and captures leaking fluids with a tabletop designed for fluid drainage. All liquids are conveniently disposed into the removable polyethylene drawer for easy dispensing. An adjustable working height of 37 inches to 41 inches, as well as an adjustable lower shelf for storage and organization. And don't forget about the locking drawer with a cylinder key locking system with full extension ball bearing sliders. Your valuables are safe and secure. With rugged 4-inch casters, 2 rigid and 2 locking swivel wheels, the teardown table works where you need it. Get the job done with a teardown table, only from Handy.